Alright guys, here we go. Netflix is currently sitting at $98.28. It's up 3.25% today. Over the past 5 days, it's up 6.59%. Over the past month, it's up 1.62%. Over the past 6 months, it's down 15.13%. Year to date, it is up 5.23%. On a 1-year chart, it's up 5.46%. On a 5-year chart, it's up 82.91%. On a maximum chart going back to September 13th, 2002, it's up 82,116.67%. Netflix. So Netflix is right at that, right under $100. That $100 threshold is probably going to be, what do you call it? Like a psychological breakthrough, I guess you could say. Like when people get past that $100 mark, it'll probably go up a little over time. That's just how it usually kind of goes. That's usually how it goes. They got a PE ratio of 39.03. They got a 52-week high of $134.12, a 52-week low of $75.01, with an EPS of $2.53, 4.22 billion shares outstanding, and 16,000 employees. Alright, let's look at their earnings. Netflix climbed over 20% from February lows, outperforming the S&P 500 in 2026. This recovery followed its exit from the Warner Brothers Discovery acquisition and recent broad subscription price hikes. Analysts project 12 to 14% revenue growth for the next quarter, supported by a rapidly scaling advertising tier and live event strategy. Just kind of a personal tidbit. I know there's a UFC fight coming up, and Netflix has an event that same night, and their event is like a stronger card than the UFC fight that night. Now that's kind of a one-off thing, but that will that'll be like substantial as far as like, I don't know, like their ability to do that going forward, I guess you could say. Very interesting stuff. So bullish view. Strong ad revenue and margin expansion. Ad revenue is projected to double to approximately $3 billion in 2026, contributing roughly 6% of total revenue. Management's 31.5% operating margin target for 2026 reflects increased cost efficiency and monetization of the ad-supported tier, which has seen robust scaling and AI-driven ad tech integration. Aggressive pricing power and capital discipline. Netflix implemented price increases across all tiers in late March 2026, with premium plans reaching about $26.99 a month. This strategy, combined with walking away from the Warner Brothers Discovery deal and resuming its multi-billion-dollar buyback program, demonstrates high pricing power and a focus on shareholder value. Live content and strategic diversification. Success in live events, such as the record-breaking World Baseball Classic, viewership in Japan validates a push into sports and diverse media like video, podcasts, and gaming. These initiatives aim to solve the subscriber plateau and provide high margin growth independent of core subscriber ads. Increased content spending pressures. Management flagged a 10% increase in content spending for 2026 to approximately $19 billion. This surge, aimed at fueling new formats and original series, could pressure margins in the short term, particularly as revenue growth is forecast to decelerate from 2025 levels. Significant insider selling activity. Director Reed Hastings sold approximately $40.1 million in common stock on April 1st, 2026, while institutional inflows remain strong. Heavy executive selling at current price levels captures a core tension in the investment case and may signal a perceived valuation ceiling among leadership. Soft Q1 guidance and deceleration concerns. First quarter 2026 guidance was softer than consensus estimates, with EPS projected at 76 cents versus an expected 81 cents. Analysts remain cautious as full-year revenue growth is forecast to slow to the 12 to 14% range, down from 16% in 2025 amid high competition and market saturation. I don't think we need to go any further than that on Netflix. What do you guys think about Netflix? I think as a stock, it's probably going to continue to rise over the... Let's see where we're at. Yeah, I think it'll probably continue to rise. At least, modestly. But, I don't know. As far as an actual business model goes, I don't know. I don't think so. But it's all about the money. So, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think.